Have you ever craved a refreshing drink on a hot summer day? A mango smoothie is the ultimate solution. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to whip up a delicious mango smoothie quickly and easily. By the end, you'll be able to make a creamy mango smoothie that's perfect for any hot day. Start by gathering your ingredients. You'll need fresh or frozen mango, a banana, milk, and yogurt. If using fresh mango, peel and cube it. Alternatively, use frozen mango for convenience. Next, if you have a frozen banana, that's great. Choose your milk. Dairy or non-dairy options like almond or oat milk work perfectly. Then, select your yogurt. Greek yogurt is best for creaminess, but any plain yogurt suffices. Once everything is ready, add all ingredients into your blender. If using frozen mango, use a tamper to ensure even blending. When blended to your liking, pour the smoothie into a glass or mason jar. Insert a straw, take a sip, and enjoy the creamy sweetness of your mango smoothie. To keep it vegan, use dairy-free milk and yogurt. You've learned how to create a tasty mango smoothie in just minutes. Grab your ingredients and start blending.